Well, hey friends, and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, and honestly, it was definitely a little unexpected. We were sailing on the MSC Grandiosa, and one of our stops was Nassau. So let's be real for a second. If you have ever been to Nassau, you probably fall into one of two groups. You either love it or you been there, done that. But this video, this one might change how you see it. Hubby and I decided to do something a little bit different. Instead of staying here where you see near the port, which is strictly for those on the
Hello
port.
everyone. So basically,
Hubby and I decided to do something just a little different. Instead of staying near the port and, of course, hitting the usual spots, we said, let's just walk. Let's just see what we could find. It actually was a little bit cooler, so it made it that much more enjoyable. And, well, did we find something? You have your local spots that are right here, a couple of blocks away from the ship. And if you're willing to venture just a little bit further in, you never ever know what you can find. This is closer to the historic area where the main part of the town is. If you go a little further in, and we turned the corner and suddenly noticed barriers, a news crew, and people gathering. And we just kind of looked at each other like, what is going on? Then we saw the uniforms and it clicked. We had just stumbled upon the ceremony of the opening of the legal year, attended by judges, magistrates, and members of the Bahamas Bar Association. And it was taking place at this stunning Christ Church Cathedral, which I'll show you after this. Can you imagine, guys, just walking up and seeing this coming down the street?
Went wrong with it a long time ago. I never got that fine.
To be honest, guys, I got so excited. Like, no way we just happened to walk into this. This wasn't something planned. This wasn't on an excursion list. We just found it. And what we witnessed was truly beautiful, from the band playing to the soldiers lining up in formation to the formal inspection by the bailiff. Every part of it was filled with tradition, respect, and meaning. It wasn't just something to watch, it was something to feel. Here's what really stood out to me. There weren't many people there. I mean, a few visitors, definitely a few cruisers, but not crowds. And that's when it hit me. You have to be willing to just go a little off the beaten path. This means so much to those who understand what it is and what it is about, but willing to learn or willing to be part of someone else's culture sometimes might not be easy or understood. I think one of the most striking moments of the ceremony is when the bailiff conducts the inspection of the soldiers. That's the gentleman in the red that you just saw go by. Now, this is not just for show. In this setting, the bailiff represents the authority of the court, and it is a symbol of law, order, and tradition. The inspection is a formal way of ensuring everything is in proper order before the legal year officially begins. As the bailiff walks along the line of soldiers, each detail matters: posture, uniform, discipline. It reflects respect not only for the ceremony itself, but for the justice system as a whole. It's a moment that blends military precision with judicial tradition, and you can feel the weight of its history and formality in it. You can see one of the bishops here. You can also see across the street, standing in front of the church, some of the justices and magistrates or members of the Bar Association. The church that they're standing in front of is actually Christ Church Cathedral, and it was established in 1670. Yep, you heard me right, 1670. This present building was open for services in 1841. And in just a few moments, guys, I will take you inside this church, and it is beautiful. But finding something like this, to me anyway, was a very precious moment, and one that we were glad that we got to be a part of, that we were allowed to be a part of. Now, let me be clear, I'm not saying go anywhere that you don't feel safe or comfortable. Always trust your instincts. But I am saying sometimes the places we think have nothing to offer have something incredible waiting just around the corner. So, standing in the heart of downtown here in Nassau is Christ Church Cathedral. It is one of the oldest, most historic landmarks in Nassau. First established, as I said, in the 1600s, the cathedral you see today reflects centuries of rebuilding, resilience, and faith. With its beautiful Gothic style architecture, hand carved woodwork, and glowing stained glass windows, it offers a quiet sense of reverence right in the middle of the city. As the seat of the Anglican Diocese of the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos, it plays an important role not just in worship but in national and ceremonial events like you saw here. Stepping inside, you can feel the history, a place where tradition, community, and culture come together in a truly meaningful way. And I'll be honest, having hubby there with me did make it a little easier to explore like that. So do what feels right for you, but don't be afraid to look beyond the obvious. Because if we had stayed on the ship or just hung around the port, we would have completely missed this moment, this culture, this tradition, and this connection. So if you've enjoyed this kind of unexpected travel moment, make sure that you're subscribed. We have got so much more coming your way. And as always, guys, travel more, find your joy, and until I'll see you on that next adventure.